Okay, number 7 asks us to find the vertex using the axis of symmetry. So first we're going to remember what that formula is, and it's negative b over 2a. And we need to remember that this 1, this imaginary 1 here, is our a term. The 4 is our b term, and the 6 is our c term. So let's plug into our formula. We have currently a positive 4 for our b, so we're going to take the opposite of that and make it a negative 4. 2 is always a 2, and our a term is 1. So that reduces with negative 4 over 2, and that reduces to negative 2. Okay, now that we've solved for our x, now we're going to go back to our original equation up here, and we're going to plug in to solve for y. So it's going to look like this. Now, instead of putting in x, we're going to put in negative 2, because that's what we found x to be. It's going to be x, just put it in. Squared though, plus 4 times negative 2 plus 6. Alright, let's deal with our square first. Remember that a negative times a negative is a positive, so negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. And 4 times negative 2 gives you a negative 8 plus 6. 4 minus 8 gives us negative 4 plus 6, and those combine to give us a y of 2. So remember that our vertex is a point. It's either going to be your high point or your low point. So we need to take a combination of this answer and a combination of that answer, and our x is negative 2, and our y is 2. And that would be our final answer on that one. Okay, number 8 asks us to find the vertex using your calculator. So this one's going to be a little easier. You don't have to do it by hand. We are just going to go into Desmos, though, and start plugging in what y equals. Okay, so I've plugged it into Desmos here, and it's given me my parabola, and I need to know the vertex. So the vertex, I might need to scroll right here. It's the very top. It has a maximum point. So if you just click right on that point, it'll tell you that your answer is negative 321. Alright, so that would be the final answer on number 8. Let's take a look at number 9. Number 9 asks us to find the roots. So we're going to plug that back. Alright, so x squared minus 5x plus 6, we plug this directly into Desmos right here, and then we have a graph. Sometimes you might have to maybe scroll in or scroll out, zoom out to see where the roots are, but the roots are just where the answers or solutions are, where they cross the x-intercept. So this one has one root at positive 3, and it has another root at positive 2. So your answers down here would be 2, 3. Okay, so this one asks us to find the roots, but if you notice, we have numbers on the left and the right-hand side of the equal sign, and we don't want that. So we're going to move the 3 over by subtracting 3 to both sides. Therefore, we left with y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3, and now we're asked to find the roots. So now I'm just going to plug that equation into Desmos. Okay, so I've graphed it into Desmos, and my looking for the roots, I am looking for these things right here. So one is the answer is 1, and the other answer is a negative 3. So negative 3 is one of your roots, and 1 is one of your roots. So that would be the last answer for your study guide.